Hey guys, yeah, it's my next project. Excuse the mess. This fucking place is a fucking mess. It's my next project, man. So stay tuned. I'm really happy. I'm really excited. I'm really happy. And look at that rim. That rim is fine tuned. It's not wobbly. It's really nice to have something nice, man. Yeah, but so right now, guys, I'm just getting this part lined up properly. This right here is the most important part. Um, I might buy a hub adapter later on. Um, This bike is my project, and I really want this bike to be nice. But yeah, this is the color of the bike I already showed you guys. I really want this fucking bike to be nice. This is my project, so I might buy a hub adapter. But if I can get this on right, fuck it. I'm not gonna buy a hub adapter. I'm really cheap. As a matter of fact, so I have the engine mounted. So now all I have to do is just put some chain in that bitch. Excuse my language. Put some chain in it and keep it going. You feel me, man? Starting to become a pretty nice project. This seat, I'm gonna do a review about this bike in general because this seat is a nice seat. That seat is a really good seat for it to be stock and for it to be so cheap. Huffy, you got it. I'm a big dude. Huffy, you're the boss. This right here is a project update on the 80cc two-stroke bike. Comment down below if you want to see it running. Um, yeah, but the bike is a nice bike. It gets the job done. I'm really happy to have it. This damn thing, like I guess if you have a two-stroke, um, obviously a two-stroke is more ethical in this situation because it's so small, kinda, and it's really easy to work on. But if you have a two-stroke, you can look forward to the power band. Off the line, they're kind of gutty, they're kind of gutless. But when you get that power band going, these little things they can get up and the RPMs, they get the momentum and they push you.